I'm OG, y'all new to the game. New.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm bringing you a new video today, and that is my March favorites. I have a lot of oldies but goodies stuff that I keep revisiting, but I also have a lot of new items that I'm going to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So the first item I'm going to share with you is my Evil Eye necklace. And I made this purchase just a couple weeks ago, and I'm loving it. I've been wearing this necklace non-stop. You would believe it's the only pair I have, but it's very nice, it's very simple, and it really just goes along with everything. Okay, I'm also going to share with you, this is a natural oil, and this is my carrot oil. I made this myself. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did that, you can leave me a comment in the description bar below, and I'll be sure to share that video with you. But this is my carrot oil, and I use it to moisturize my skin, because you know in the winter time it's very dry, and we're still in the winter time, just heading to spring right now, but I'm still a little bit dry all over, so I still use my oil to moisturize my skin. So good, so good. Yeah, so that is it for my carrot oil. Okay, the next item I want to share with you is my Celine sunglasses. And these I've been rocking lately because you definitely can wear it with anything. You can pair these with anything. And my color is green. I have green frames, which is pretty lovely. And this is what they look like. Very classy. So there are times when I'm just going out and I don't feel like wearing any makeup or anything. I'll just put a vibrant lipstick on or some lip gloss, throw on my Celine glasses, and I'm good to go. So these I've been loving. I have another pair that I would like to share with you as well, but these are my Gucci sunglasses. And this is also a lovely pair. And this is what they look like. I love these as well. When I feel like I want to block out the world, I don't want to see anyone, which is almost daily. Just kidding. But I wear these a lot as well, and I'm loving these for the month of March. And I know I'll be loving these for, you know, all summer long. Summer 2018. Yeah, baby. Love it. Let's take it down a notch. So this is a vegan protein powder that I bought at Whole Foods, and I use this to make my smoothies. And this is very healthy. It is in blueberry flavor. It is gluten-free, no sugar added. And like I said, it's just instant powder. So all you need to do is to add water, and if you want to add other fruits in there as well, you can also do that. But you can also just add water to the powder and you're good to go. But for me, there's a hair that is bothering me. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I caught it. So, I'm sorry. So, like I said, you can add water to this and you're good to go. Or you can add other fruits in there as well, and that is also a good way of having it. I also have another one, and this is what I use to do my protein shake, and this is also plant-based, and it is called Organic Plant Protein. It is very good, super delicious. I love it. This is also gluten-free. It is a smooth almond butter flavor. Very delicious, very delicious. It contains probiotics, enzymes, almond, like, you know, because it's almond powder, so they use almond to make it. But these are great buys, and these items I got at Whole Foods. I'm not sure if you could find them at Trader Joe's, but you could try. Next is my Apple Watch, and this is Series 3. And I've been getting into techie stuff lately. I'm also looking at a drone. I need one to buy so I can make even greater videos. So I'm looking into that. I saw one the other day, but it was like $800. I don't have that kind of money to spend right now. So this is my Apple Watch. And I love it a lot because I can be hands-free when I'm driving. Also, I took the nude color. The band is very soft, and this watch, it does almost everything that you can do on your phone. Whatever you can do on your phone, you can do it on this watch. There's a camera, you can send messages, I can go on Instagram, whatever, it is on this watch as well. So this is a very great buy for those who are into techie stuff, or if you like stuff like that, then you can probably look into purchasing one of these. They have different series as well, so you don't have to get the Series 3. You can probably get one, or you can probably get two. It's up to your preference and what you're looking for. So I'm also enjoying this product for the month of March. I also want to share with you another moisturizer that I have, and this is my Atlantic Seaweed Cream. And I got this in the Body Shop. This is the container. I love it. It's very moisturizing and it's so nourishing for my skin. It leaves my skin feeling very smooth and soft, and it has a very light green color. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And it does smell like seaweed, and we know seaweed is a natural plant, so anything natural I love to use on my skin, because nowadays it's just the better way to go. Everything natural and organic is where I'm at. So that is it for my moisturizer. The next item I want to share with you is my two makeup palettes that I bought from Juvia's Place, and this is the Zulu palette. It's a very gorgeous palette. I actually use this palette to create my makeup look today. So this is what I'm wearing. The colors are vibrant, and we all know that Juvia's Place, these shadows are so pigmented. I didn't have to use any concealer to put on my shadows, and they came out very bright. The other one I have is the Festival palette. And this is what it looks like. The colors again are vibrant. I got these palettes for spring and summer, and I've been using them non-stop already. They're very gorgeous. If you don't have these two in your collection, guys, be sure to get them. These are your must-have. The next item I also want to share with you is my essential water. And I love this water. I went to Mexico the other day for vacation, and I took 3 bottles with me in my suitcase. Yes, I did, because I love this water. The pH level is very high. It is 9.5, and this water is alkaline water. So I wasn't sure about how the water was there, so I had no choice. I just bring my own water. But I've been loving this water. This is not only for the month of March, but this is my water every day, all day. Next item I want to share with you is my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this lip gloss I love. It's actually what I'm also wearing today. It is creamy thick, very moisturizing for the lip, and I like how creamy it is. It is very creamy and thick. This you can find at Sephora. So the last item I'm sharing with you guys is my Numi organic tea, and this is caffeine free, and it's made from turmeric tree roots. It also has in ginger, and it is non-GMO. It also states that turmeric is an ancient root in the ginger family. So it looks just like ginger. The only difference is that the color is very vibrant and it has a strong taste, and this also stains. And turmeric is very good for a lot of health benefits. Listen, it is endless. But I won't get into all that. You can do your research and you will see the health benefits of turmeric. So I usually drink my turmeric at night. I just get my teacup with boiling water. I put it in there and I let it steep for about 6 to 8 minutes. So that is it for my favorites for the month of March. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys in my next video.